reminisce on the things you don't need. Figure out, okay, this is what I want, and this is what I want. Hi, welcome back to another True Talk episode where we provide you with the tools to grow, learn, and navigate life like a boss. So today we'll be talking about financial planning in crisis, how to plan your finances. I know this content is very, very valuable because of what is happening, what's going on in the country. So today the first point in building your financial plan is have a realistic check. Like what is going on? Like what is going on, guy? Just calm down. You don't need to don't kill yourself over it. Calm down, write what is important, jot down your external and internal factors. So nobody's literally going to plan for a volcanic eruption. No. That's actually external factor. Write your plans down, write what you will want to do down. So the second point is identify your needs and goals. What do you want in your financial plans? What are you expecting in your financial plans? Write them down. Identify your goals. Okay, this is what I want to do. My needs, this is my needs. Write them down. After you identify all this, make sure to score yourself. Okay, this is where I am now versus where I want to be. Is it matching up? So if it's not margin up, I tell you, you need to go back to the first point I say, have a realistic check. Check it. Okay, maybe I made a mistake somewhere or somehow. Just sit down again, write them down, identify your niche, narrow them down. Then after that, you can go back again and identify your goals. The third point is take stock of your life. Be accountable for everything you buy. Like recently, if I spend 10 naira, I'll write 10 naira or $1 or $2. I write them down so that I will know what is going out and what is coming in. Take stock of your life. Be intentional about how you spend your money. The fourth point is save. I don't really like saving. I prefer investing, but save. There are platforms, there are apps now that are out there that you can save. At the wrong run, they will pay you, they'll give you a little percentage, but you can save. But the saving I'm talking about is not this type of saving. The saving I'm talking about is save for expensive, for subscription, for utensils, for everything you are spending. Save your money. So just allocate this amount for money because maybe when crisis is coming up, I've planned for this already. So just save towards that goal, save towards that need, save your money, and also reduce your subscription. There are some subscriptions on your phone that are just they're just subscribing on their own. Go back and reduce them. Check about how the light money you are spending. Reduce all these unnecessary costs. So after checking all these things, I'm telling you, you are ready, super ready for your financial big plans and goals. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really have a question, you can leave them on the comments box below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day.